drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
And we're off in this qualification match number 70. Already we have 2 red robots leaving their starting positions, 1 robot leaving, 2 robots leaving for blue, seeing if they can score a coral before time expires in this autonomous period. 6-6 our score as our clock hits 0 in auto. Now drivers have control and are taking their machines to new positions on the field. 2506 already grabbing a piece of algae from their reef. Looks like they're going to go ahead and score that into the barge for their alliance. Meanwhile, over on red, Robotics grabbing some coral off the ground, going to see if they can place that onto L1 for their alliance. Their partners, Dupo Tigers, collect a piece of coral from the human player station. Looks like they're going to see if they can line up an L2 score. Didn't quite get there, had an algae in their way it seems, and weren't able to push it through. They'll head on back over to their human player station and give that a second try. Meanwhile, over on the blue side of the fields, we have the Passalians grabbing a piece of coral from their coral station, making their way elevator lifting to their coral station, being a little respectful of their alliance partner Saber, who's grabbing some algae and taking it over to the barge. They make their way on in, attempt to score on L3, and make their way back to their human player station. We have about 1:20 left in this match. Our score is 14-27, favoring our blue alliance. Back over on the red side of the field, more collection off the ground from the Robovikes, while their partners, the Robotic Dragons, collect algae off the floor and look to be processing it. Third alliance partner, R2 Yezu, grabbing algae, it appears, from a position on their reef, and we'll see how that goes as our clock winds down. Under a minute remaining, we have a score of 41-26, favoring our blue alliance in this match. Less than a minute remaining as we approach the end game phase. Over here on blue, we have 74-52 grabbing coral from their human player station. Looks like they're going to line up for a T4 score, L4 score for their alliance. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of coral for them up there. A couple pieces on the lower levels. We'll see if they try to go for an additional ranking point with their effort scoring coral in this match. 25 seconds to go, our score is 33 for red, 66 for blue as we reach the end game phase. Already lined up, even before the last 20 seconds of the match, is Saber on a cage, going for a deep hang for their blue alliance. The Passalians come over to see if they can park. They make room for their alliance partner, 74-52. We have 2 parked robots and 1 that is in a deep hang, possibly 1 extra rank point for them as time expires. 75-35 our scores, our clock hits 0 and it's blue, our blue alliance winning that match number 70 with a score of 81-41. Congratulations to our blue alliance. They earned 4 ranking points, 3 for their match victory and 1 for their efforts in endgame with the deep hang and at least 1 other robot docked.